everyone. In the next few minutes, we will be exploring the world of news items. So, before that, allow us to introduce ourselves. Start from me. My name is Immanuel Ratujana and my study number is 116. Next.
My name is Sinditri Adani. My study number is 93.
My name is Maharani Putri Sianingrum and my study number is 121. Next.
My name is Putri Intan Permatasari and my student number is 127.
Okay, let's begin. So for the first presenter, time is yours. As part of the trend the characteristic of the person object of brain. It enables to process detailed information that gives reader a clear understanding of the content. Alternatively, the fiction focuses on several influences such as how something looks, sounds, or feels. It emphasizes in the subject, visual memory, and
Purpose of news item. News item text is used to inform readers about events of the day that are considered newsworthy or important. The explanation means that a news item text is a type of text used to inform readers about events happening on the day that are considered important or newsworthy. The main purpose of this text is to deliver current and relevant news to the readers, or it could be text to inform readers about newsworthy or important event of the day, and to provide readers with information about newsworthy or important event of the day. Next.
Generic structure of news item. There is three points. The first is main event or newsworthy event. Two is elaboration or background event. Three is resource of information or source. So for the first is main event or newsworthy event. This part tells the main event or incident that is important enough to be reported. It provides a brief summary of what happened. It answers the question what happened and gives the most essential information in a short, clear way. The main event is what grabs the reader's attention because it focuses on something important, unusual, or relevant. Two is elaboration or background event. It in this section, the news explain about more event mentioned in the first part. It answers questions like who, where, when, why, and how the event took place. The purpose is to give more details and clearer picture of what happened, who was involved, and in the circumstance. This helps the reader understand the full story and context of the event. Three is resource of information or source. This part contains comment or quote from people involved in the event, witness, or experts. This source adds credibility to the news because they show that the information comes from reliable people or authorities. Quotes from this source also help make the story more real and provide different viewpoints to the reader. Next.
Okay, I will explanation of each point about the language features of a news item. So the first is focusing on circumstance. Its means news is written in a way that is easy for everyone to understand. The the sentence are simple and technical or complex words are avoided unless necessary. The goal is to ensure the audience quickly gets the main idea without confusion. Second is using saying verbs. It means news use verbs like said, report, told, and informed to show what someone has spoken. For example, the mayor said we will report the city. This helps readers know who is giving the information. Number 3 is mentioning the scene at the start. Often, the location of the event is mentioned at the beginning of the news story. For example, a news item might start with Jakarta have rains flowed the city today. This gives the reader an immediate sense of where the event happened. Number 4 is using past tense to explain events. Since news typically reports on things that have already happened, it often uses past tense. For example, the earthquake struck the city at midnight. This indicates that the event occurred in the past. Number 5 is using present tense for ongoing facts. It means if the information being reported is still ongoing, the present tense can be used. For example, the Eiffel Tower is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. This is a fact that hasn't changed, so it stays with the present tense. Number 6, short telegraphic headlines. Headlines are usually short and concise. They use as few words as possible while still giving a clear idea of each story. For example, floods ravaged coastal towns. This provides the key information in a brief way. Number 7 is using adverbs. Adverbs are words that describe when, where, or how something happens. In news, these are often used to add details. For example, the fire broke out yesterday in a warehouse, quickly spreading to nearby buildings. This detail helps paint a complete picture of the event. Number 8, using material process to retell events. A material process means using action verb to describe what happened. For example, the team rescued the trapped miners. Words like rescued, hit, or destroyed help describe the physical action in the event. Each of these features work together to make news reporting clear, concise, and informative, allowing readers to quickly understand the most important details of the story. Thanks.
Newsworthy event, Moscow, a Russian journalist has uncovered evidence of another Soviet nuclear catastrophe which killed 10 sailors and contaminated an entire town. A significant and previously hidden nuclear disaster has come to light in Russia as revealed by investigative journalist Elena Vasvakia. She has uncovered compelling evidence of a catastrophic event that took place at the naval base of Skutubur 22 near Vladivostok, where a nuclear submarine explosion occurred, killing 10 sailors and contaminating an entire nearby town. This incident, which took place 13 months prior to the infamous Chernobyl disaster, was shot in secrecy by Soviet authorities. According to Varsvakia, she has the first journalist to speak with witnesses of the explosion, which involved a Victor-class submarine undergoing refit. The radioactive fallout from the explosion affected both the naval base and the surrounding area, so the Soviet government falsely claimed it was a thermal explosion rather than a nuclear one to maintain secrecy. Those involved in the cleanup operation, which required The removal of more than 1,900 tons of radioactive debris were ordered to remain silent about the event. This newly unconfirmed disaster adds to the list of nuclear accidents that were concealed by Soviet authorities during the Cold War, further illustrating the lengths to which the regime went to suppress information about the nuclear mishaps.
Okay, that's our presentation. If there is any question, you guys can put it on the chat box. Okay, there is 3 questions.
Okay, for the first question can be answered by Cindy.
Okay, I will answer the first question. What is the difference between a news item and an opinion article? A news item provides factual information about events without including the writer's personal views, while an opinion article includes the author's thoughts, interpretation, or argument on a topic. Enough. Next.
Okay, for the second question, I will answer it. Why is it important for a news item to be objective? So it's because objectivity is crucial in news item because it ensures that the information is presented fairly and without bias, allowing readers to form their own opinion based on the fact rather than being influenced by the reader perspective. So I think that's it for the 2 questions. For the next is
Okay, I will answer question number 3. The question is, how does the headline of a news item help readers? The headline of a news item helps readers by grabbing attention, providing quick context, summarizing the content, pointing to relevant information, and sparking interest to read further. Enough. Next.
okay, that's it. The answer. So thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi